I'm recording. I'm recording right now. This is my street. This shit always happens on Hicks. We got firefighters over there in a brick house. They're about to go back in there. We got another fire truck coming down the street right now. This shit's insane. This shit happens on like yearly, annually. Especially in that house. And there's this one next door too. But this house could be haunted. Just saying. Or people are just making the wrong choices.
Oh my god, AJ,
Alright, subscribe. You shut the fuck up. I'm recording. Subscribe to my YouTube.
My brother's recording this and he's like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, you're so fucking